The Temple Bar Pub, Dublin, a legendary Irish landmark. The Temple Bar Pub is one of Dublin's most famous and beloved landmarks. The Temple Bar Pub is located on Temple Bar Street, right in the heart of Dublin's vibrant cultural quarter. This cobblestone street is one of the liveliest areas in the city, filled with music, laughter, and energy day and night. Along Temple Bar Street, you'll find other famous spots such as the Old Dubliner, Oliver St. John Gogarty's Pub, and the Palace Bar, all known for traditional Irish music and friendly crowds. The street also features excellent restaurants like Elephant and Castle and Gallagher's Boxty House, plus quirky shops and art galleries that make the Temple Bar area truly unforgettable. The pub has become an essential stop for both locals and tourists who want to experience authentic Irish hospitality. Standing proudly on the corner of Temple Lane and Fleet Street, this iconic establishment has a long and fascinating history that reflects the soul of Dublin itself. One of the most striking features of the Temple Bar Pub is its bright red facade, adorned with hanging flower baskets and traditional Irish signage. It is one of the most photographed buildings in Ireland, often serving as the backdrop for countless selfies and travel videos. Inside, the atmosphere is equally charming. Warm lighting, wooden interiors, and vintage memorabilia give it an old-world character that immediately makes visitors feel at home. The pub is renowned for its live traditional Irish music, which fills the air every day from early afternoon until late at night. Local musicians perform classics such as Whiskey in the Jar and The Wild Rover, creating a lively and unforgettable experience. It's not uncommon for visitors from around the world to join in, clapping and singing along with the musicians. This joyful atmosphere has made the Temple Bar Pub a symbol of Dublin's social and musical spirit. Aside from the music, The Temple Bar Pub is also famous for its impressive collection of Irish whiskies. It boasts one of the largest whiskey selections in Ireland, featuring rare and vintage bottles from top distilleries. The staff are knowledgeable and friendly, often recommending a perfect whiskey or pint of Guinness to suit your taste. The pub also serves traditional Irish dishes, such as Irish stew, seafood chowder, and hearty sandwiches, making it an ideal place to relax and enjoy authentic Irish flavors. Visiting the Temple Bar Pub is truly a must-do experience in Dublin. It captures everything that makes the city special: its history, its hospitality, and its love for music and fun. For many visitors, a night at the Temple Bar Pub is not just a stop on their journey, it's a memory they carry home forever.